How you doing? It's Ed with the Reef Corner. Updating a video on a 6 3/4 inch emperor angel that I have. Feeding him this time Mysis shrimp and brine shrimp. Trying to work the camera with one hand, then use my hand on the other. There he goes, eating Mysis shrimp and brine shrimp. There he goes. Good job. He was really slow in coming along. Loves the seaweed, that's for sure. But the Mysis shrimp and the brine shrimp, any frozen food, took him a while. Pellets, at the wholesaler, he actually went after the pellets. They had him in a tank by himself. I don't know if it's because he's got so much company now, but clearly eating Mysis shrimp and brine shrimp. There you go. Keep eating, and we'll give you a little more. Woo! Good job. Everybody else, get the hell out of the way. Good work. Cool. I think the problem is when they come in sometimes and they're feeding on something they're not used to seeing. They see so much of it and they just don't know which one to go after. Or he wants to eat it off the floor. And of course everyone's eating, for every piece he eats, everyone else is eating 10. And the mistake that I was doing is I would feed him the seaweed first and then try to give him some frozen. He had no interest. So now we do it a little different. Now we wait almost the entire day, and then I throw in some frozen. And gee, what a surprise, it's going after it. And then right before bedtime, a couple of times, we'll throw in some seaweed. But when you're hungry, you're going to eat it. Alrighty folks, thank you very much. 201-926-0536, call or text or email me at sales@TheReefCorner.com. The sale of all my fish come with the Pro Salt Mysis Shrimp, free, 4-ounce cube. 6 to 8 weeks worth of pellets. If you visit me from out of state, $10 discount, or a 50-gallon bag of salt mix, whichever you prefer.